Hello, Happy New Year. It's now 2020. I hope it's going well so far. I'm here at Stu's house, so I'm just going to turn up and see what he can cook. So, let's see. He should be in.
Hello, what are you doing here?
We're going to cook.
Oh, I've got nothing in. Happy New Year, I guess.
Happy New Year.
So, what we're going to do, I've got, have a look, there's literally, well, there's not nothing in. There's a big pan of soup, but we're supposed to be cooking, that's cooked already. Happy New Year, everybody. Mouthful of stew, an impromptu video, obviously. What have we got in the cupboard? Many things. Not that... Okay, we'll put olives in, see what happens. Cheese, spring onion, olive, pasta bake with a side of Tuscan cannellini beans. How's that sound?
Great.
Cool, let's go on with it.
So what are we putting in this then?
Well, we're making a cheese sauce, so semi-skimmed milk, cheese, plain flour, that's for the roux, butter, onion, spring onion, still not sure about the olives, mushrooms, garlic, olive oil. This is for the side dish, cannellini beans, some fusilli pasta, music on the mar. No, I mean that's just a product placement. The things you will need to cook with are a pan, a knife, chopping board, spoon, whisk. Doesn't have to be a balloon whisk, but that's what that is. Not an oven dish. Strainer and grater.
Do you like my water? So you got salt your water, get a bit of olive oil in there, so your pasta won't stick together just a little bit. We're using fusilli because it sounds fun and it's all twirly bits, so it'll stick to the sauce rather nicely. We have some olive oil, put in the pan, and we're going to cook down some onions. It's an entire onion because Neil said he likes onion. Interesting Christmas, just before Christmas I had a very busy December. I was up and down the country. I did solo gigs. I did a solo gig in Oxford, which was roughly at the Holywell Folk Music Rooms, and 2 gigs with Hadrian's Union, Brian and Penny's last 2 gigs because they've gone. So if you're a bass player or a fiddler, then please get in touch. We need them for Hadrian's Union. Did 2 brand new gigs with Good England, that's me and Sol, with a bit more traditional material, which went really well, really good fun. One in London and one in Watford. And also, you might have seen, I released a music video called Love Simply Love with Professor Tim Wilson, which has done pretty well on YouTube. Have a look at it. It's an LGBTQ Christmassy vibe sort of thing. It's all about love, which is rather nice. And then I kind of got home and just went, if you can't get a hold of fresh mushrooms, because if people just turn up on your doorstep asking to be fed, this is what happens. Because the mushrooms, they do absorb a lot of water, so to stop them spitting, just get some kitchen towel, tablespoon full of flour, and then cook that down until it's all melted through. But you have to make sure the flour is cooked through thoroughly, otherwise you get an awful floury taste in your sauce. A little bit of red Leicester and quite a lot of cheddar, and we're going to put a bit of parmesan on at the end as well. Right, so we're just going to caramelise off some mushrooms. So you need to kind of basically not disturb them as much as possible. It looks like the flour's cooking down quite nicely. So it all sort of starts clumping together a little bit there. Just going to leave it for a couple of minutes just to make sure the flour cooks out. You don't want that awful floury taste in your roux. Right, so you'll see I've got my pasta's cooked. I'm just going to strain off the water into a cup, so I want to save some of that juice for later. Just a bit of milk in. Start it slowly. It's better on the higher heat. Cooking water from the pasta back into the dish just to loosen up the pasta a bit. Now I'm going to add the pasta to the sauce. The sauce. Oh, yes. Oh, well, Oh, lovely. Oh my gosh. World of cheese imagination. If you're on that New Year's diet thing, have a little bit. Not all of it. It's all about moderation. There's nothing moderate about this. So if you want it a bit hotter, you can always add a bit of chili on the top, some paprika. We're gonna have some cannellini beans. So Tuscan beans I found when I went to Florence a few years ago. So I've got just a basic carton of cannellini beans. Just gonna wash the juice off a little bit. Still not been washed. So you've still got some of the juice and some of the oil. So just put the beans in. And your garlic. A little bit more oil. So we're just adding the vegetable stock. There we go, and we're just going to let it cook down for a while.
Unfortunately, I didn't press record, so we can't prove how lovely this was. But it was lovely. I mean, let's face it. Did you see how much cheese went in? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, then you'll be notified of our new videos. I promise I will press record next time.
Well, I made this myself. This is cranberry and orange meringue ice cream cake. It was inspired by Nigella's cake. Basically, we were left with leftovers from Christmas, which included egg whites and cranberries and orange and stuff. So yeah, I made an ice cream cake out of it. So that this is what it is, and it turns out it's fucking delicious.
That's the wrong one.